friends, welcome to my channel. I am here to guide you in all possible ways in the field of learning English. I will be explaining and analyzing various English texts which are there in the syllabus of English at undergraduate level. I'm also going to give lessons in developing basic communication skills in English, something that we need in our everyday life. So if you like my channel, please do leave a comment and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello all of you. In this video, I will be giving you some very helpful guidelines for writing a good précis. A précis is a summary, a synopsis or a gist of a passage. It is written in a single paragraph having an appropriate title. Now coming to the length of a précis, ideally a précis should be about 1/3 of the original passage. For example, if the original passage is in the form of a prose consisting of 180 words, the précis should not exceed 60 words. If the original passage is in the form of a poem, try to restrict the précis within 100 words. Now the whole task of writing a précis actually involves 3 stages. The first stage is a pre-writing stage, the second, the writing stage, and the third, the post-writing stage. You must allot at least 20 minutes in your examination for writing a précis. Now let's come to the pre-writing stage. First, read the original passage at least 3 times very carefully, paying attention to every word. Second, try to grasp or comprehend the main theme or the central idea of the passage. Third, focus on those words and sentences in the original passage which are directly connected to the central idea. You may highlight those words and sentences with a pencil, since those will be your essential points for writing the précis. Fourth, count the total number of words in the original passage and then calculate the number of words for your précis, which should be roughly 1/3 of the passage. Now let's come to the second stage or the writing stage. First, state the central idea in your own language. Your language should be clear, lucid, concise, and to the point. Second, use a third-person point of view, even if the original passage is in the first or the second person. Third, use indirect speech. Fourth, do not copy sentences, idioms, proverbs, quotations, examples, illustrations, figures of speech from the original passage. Fifth, do not use ornamental language, roundabout expressions, and figures of speech in the précis. Sixth, do not elaborate, exemplify, or provide superfluous details in the précis. Seventh, do not quote, repeat, or use idioms and proverbs in the précis. Eighth, stick to a single paragraph for the précis. Ninth, provide a title which must convey the theme of the précis. 10th, the title must not contain more than 6 words. The initial letter of each word in the title should be in capital, except for articles, conjunctions, and prepositions. Now let's come to the last stage, the post-writing stage. Revise and check the précis for spellings and grammar, to make sure you have included all the essential points, to add or drop certain points if necessary, to count the total number of words so that the précis does not exceed the required word limit. Now, you may prepare a fresh and final draft of your précis in case the précis looks too untidy and illegible due to multiple corrections, and, of course, if you have spare time on your hands. In that case, don't forget to pen through the rough draft after preparing the final draft. So, I hope these guidelines will really help you to score good marks in the field of writing a PRECIS. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.